After, we need to ask, what changes can you make that will result in an improvement? My change idea is to set a school schedule in order to obtain daily, consistent study hours and only engage in educational tasks in a constructive, distraction-free environment, such as my office. Then, test changes with the PDSA cycle. Develop a plan to test the change in the plan phase, followed by the do phase where you carry out the change, then in the study phase where you observe and learn from the change and consequences. Lastly, the act phase where you determine what modifications should be made. In my plan phase, I planned a daily school schedule from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. on the days I work, and an 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. weekend study schedule. In my do phase, I started my study hours and logged the time I spent daily. I only studied in my office without my phone and only when I am in a state to be productive. In the study phase, after 7 days, I discovered that I did not meet 2 hours daily. This was due to social obligations, chores, and my desire to relax on the weekends. Learning from the first PDSA cycle, I implemented a second cycle, with an added change of using a motivational habit tracker application on my phone to help remind me to commit to daily study efforts. Using the motivational app to build a habit helped me to reach my aim of studying every day for at least 2 hours. This allowed me to achieve my goal in the last 6 consecutive days of the second PDSA cycle. In the ACT phase, I refined the change of using the motivational app to track my study routine along with the other changes such as only studying in my office to reach my goal. In realizing that improvements can always be made allows for the reflection of what I can work on. Learning about the CQI process and the tools that can aid in accelerating improvement, I can take what I learned and apply it to various aspects of both my personal and professional life. I will continue to look for ways to improve my study habits. Thank you for watching my presentation.